Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how to enable or disable sensitive content control in Instagram app. Friends, please subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to please put your likes under the video and be sure to write your comments. And dear friends, we are going to get down to our today's topic. First of all, you need to open the Instagram app on your device. And then at the bottom on the right-hand side, tap to go to your profile. Then at the top right side, tap on the three bars to go to Settings and Actions. Here you'll need to scroll down and find the option called Suggested Content. Click on it. And then select Confidential Content. As you can see, there are several modes here and you can activate any of them. The default setting here is the standard confidential content control. But if you like to increase that control, then you'll need to click on the option down here. And then you just confirm what you're doing. If you'd like to see more of that sensitive content, then at the top, click on the option and also continue. After that, as you can see, it switches these settings in Instagram to the one you want from the confidential content items. And at any time you can come back here and select the same standard or any other of the items by making the same movement. That's the way you can easily turn on and off sensitive content controls in the Instagram app. I really hope this video has helped you and was helpful. Please don't forget to put likes under this video. Be sure to comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.